Hey everyone, welcome back to OdinSchool's YouTube channel. This is a quick guide on how to crack the data analyst role at Flipkart. From SQL challenges to interview questions, we are covering everything you need to get ahead. So let's get started. Okay, a quick question before that. Which app do you open when you suddenly feel like buying sneakers, phone case, mixer grinder, and maybe Atta? Yes, you guessed it right. Isn't it Flipkart? So Flipkart has started way back in 2007. That's like when YouTube was still figuring out HD videos and nobody knew what a reel was. And now it's the online shopping mall of the country. You get clothes, electronics, groceries, random impulse buys at 2 a.m., everything. Known for those big billion day sales that fill your cart and drain your wallet. And with Walmart backing it up, Flipkart isn't just an app, it's a full blown data driven beast. So, what's the role about it? Flipkart is hiring for data analysts in Bangalore for a full time position. Whether you're a fresher or have up to 5 years of experience, this role is open. And yes, the CTC goes up to rupees 5 lakhs per annum. So now let's decode some of the most common and tricky interview questions you might face in the Flipkart's interview. Question number one. Can you write a SQL query to find the second highest revenue product in each category? Question number two. The checkout rate dropped after items were added to the cart. So what's your investigation plan? Question number three. Flipkart just launched a new homepage feature. So how do you measure its success? Question number four, return spiked for one category. What data would you explore and why? Question number five, and the most important one, dashboard shows a 20% drop in daily active users. So, what's your first move? And if you're an Odin grad, these questions might just be easy for you. So, coming to, okay. If you're an Odin grad, then you will easily answer these questions. Now, you might wonder what exactly they are looking for. So they are looking for technical expertise in SQL, Power BI, and Excel. They need someone with analytical mindset. It's not just about numbers, it's about patterns. And communication is the key. You should articulate your findings. And here's what your day could look like at Flipkart. You will interpret messy business data, spot trends using advanced analytics, build dashboards that save hours, work with different teams to drive strategy, and make sure systems run smoothly always. So let's talk about the perks. With the package of up to 5 lakhs per annum, you will get to work in a fast paced, innovation led environment, dive into real e commerce data and scale, and learn from top minds in the analytical industries. So before you apply, let us have a glance on three quick tips. Tip number one, get your basics strong. Like Excel, SQL, and Power BI, these are the bread and butter for any analyst. So recruiters expect hands-on experience, not just theory. So how to learn it? Coming to Excel, start with functions like VLOOKUP, index match, pivot tables, and data cleaning. For example, analyze monthly sales data and build a dashboard. And for SQL, learn how to query databases using select, join, group by, and where clauses. So practice on lead code. For example, write queries to analyze an e-commerce database. And finally, Power BI build interactive dashboards. For example, visualize COVID-19 or IPL data. The best and quick way is to go through the playlist of SQL and Power BI in OdinSchool's YouTube channel. The link is provided in the description. Coming to tip number two, get strong with data cleaning and exploration, like EDA. 80% of real world data is messy. Hiring managers love candidates who can make sense of chaos. So use Python's pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn libraries. Learn how to handle missing data, duplicates, outliers, and data types. So learn from Kaggle's data cleaning challenge or Odin School's mini project will be helpful. So for example, take a public data set, clean it, and share your thoughts in a notebook on GitHub. And the last tip, practice business case thinking. So, data alone isn't enough. Companies want analysts who can drive actionable insights, read real case studies, learn how to ask what business questions does this data answer. For example, why are sales dropping in the North Zone despite more ads? Build a dashboard to analyze ad spend versus conversion. Practice creating hypotheses and validating them through the data. And that's a wrap. If you found this helpful, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe for more updates. And don't forget, prepare smart, apply with confidence, and you just might be Flipkart's next data analyst. Thank you.